I have important questions to you. Do you accept African refugees in your country or not? Because there have been conflicts in Africa, particularly in South Sudan, in Congo, and Sudan. And Uganda is the heart of the global refugee crisis and one of the refugee hosting nations in the world. So, yes, it's good because you are helping in a humanitarian way. However, there's also risk involved. It affects your services, your livelihood, your environment, resource allocation, and access. So I know you will have mixed reactions about this, and that's the reason why I'm asking what do you think about accepting almost 2 million refugees from all across the region. Um, I just checked here on the internet that these families, the refugees, are granted land to farm, the right to move freely, and the right to work. However, Uganda's generosity burdens its social services. So, is this information true or fake news? Please let me know about this. And then another thing that I've read is refugees continue to arrive in Uganda. At the same time, donors are cutting humanitarian funding. So essential sectors are bearing the brunt, most critically food, water, and education. In fact, others refugees are receiving a meager $3 per month. So that's very low now compared to before. So what do you think about uh, what do you think about the refugees coming into your country? Do you accept them, um, or you don't want them to be in your country because it affects your livelihood, or you have mixed reaction? Please let me know on the comments below, and also message me so that I would know how to move forward with this because it's also a factor in our businesses.